Dirt Devil Jaguar, 12 amps. Look at the casters they got on this instead of those plastic wheels. This is definitely an older machine. See, that's how it rides on your carpet. Well, I got the screws out. The belt looks in pretty good shape. Yeah, right in here, if this is wound with hair, this will start melting on each side, but it's perfect and it spins nicely. Okay. So it's good. So this is definitely a good machine to clean. You know, you don't want to clean it and then find out that that's burnt or something. And this belt is in decent shape. Might as well take that off. Got a bucket of water outside. When you're washing this, after, make sure you put it out in the sun or on heat to fully dry it. And then I'm going to start taking that apart. 4 screws, 2 on each side, and then we'll get rid of that. Let's see if it's up here. Oh, that's pretty tight in there. There we go. Got it off. Yeah, I guess straight up is good. Take it off. And we can wash the whole thing except the brush bar. And we can take this off too, this piece. Couple screws there. This white piece has a hidden screw from the other side. So if you wanted to take that off, you'll have to wait until this is pulled out of here. See, the back side's got that screw in it. But I don't think we need to take that apart. We just need to wash that. And that's what that looks like. This is good for the water. Oh yeah, and I'll put the couple screws back in. They went right at the top. I put a little bit of dish soap in there. That should be good. Now get a rag and start. Oh yeah, my screen got a little bit of mist on it. Took this screw out and this handle will pop up, and then I'll put the screw back. It's a longer one anyway. I took the screws out for the headlight, which are right here. Even the light is dirty. It's a good working bulb though. And I can wash wash the lens. As I remember, those bulbs, I seen them somewhere, they were $8. That bulb. I'm gonna undo these screws and we'll get out the motor. Let's see if this is holding it. Yeah, that's holding it. Little cone. It's a little bit dusty inside. I'm going to blow this out with air. And these little turbines, you can clean it with Q-tips. But I want to wash this column, so I'm going to disconnect it. I'm just trying to see where the best place to disconnect it is. These two wires here, just pull them off. They're for the on and off switch right here. Little few wires. I'm just going to cut here and there, and then I'll know where to connect them back up, and I'll use some barrettes and connect it. Now I can wash all this, and I don't have to take the wiring off or the fixture for the bulb. And I'll blow this out with air. Got a wire brush. This is just a damp cloth. Oh, I blew the motor off with air, and then I wiped it down with a damp cloth. Wash that. And all this stuff is just drying. Since the brush bar is spinning good, I'm not gonna take the caps off. But if you do, just get a screwdriver and go easy with them, because they could be brittle and they could crack. But since this is working good, I'm not even gonna take them off, and it doesn't look like any hairs behind there.